This is Hyatt Regency, one of the biggest chains of American hotels. This is Dubai Frame, world famous iconic landmark in Dubai. So we are starting our tour, half day Dubai city tour from here. So we can also take a lift and go up top of the frame. So but I don't see why you should go there, because from bottom and from ground floor only it looks very nice, excellent. So from if you go to top, you can only see city. But it's just for experience, just we can go top, and I need to find out the ticket. So I don't know the reason why it has been built, but it looks excellent from ground floor. Iconic landmark. This is the reception and this is the breakfast area. Every day I have a complimentary breakfast for 5 days. So it is excellent. It starts in the morning like 6:32 until 10:30. So here water starts with water, detox water, like forks, spoons, plates. First we have to pick up plates, and then this is non-vegetarian section, eggs, beef sausage, scrambled egg, beef baked goods. So every day they change menu. Except this vegetarian section, you can see whole madam, hash brown. So today there is upma, paratha, curry, rajma masala, fresh fruits. Yesterday it was idli, day before it is vada, so it is cornflakes. So, and this is juice, apple and orange juice. So this is tea and coffee. Tea already mixed with milk and sugar. And this is coffee machine. This is toaster, very hot toaster. White bread, brown bread, Lebanese bread, croissants, and chocolate croissants, honey, jams, and fresh fruits. You can see fresh fruits and vegetables, and tomato, cucumber, apples, muskmelon, watermelon, everything. Curd, strawberry yogurt, plain yogurt, fruits. So different cheese, carrot, shredded carrot, chicken, beef, and this is a apple making machine. So we have to take bite from this machine, and we can make our own pan. So just we can sit in these sofa sets, so and enjoy our breakfast. So it is buffet breakfast. So always excellent varieties. Even we will have like idli, vada, and everything. So here also we can sit. Some more seats here area. So plenty of tables, chairs to sit and enjoy our breakfast. Excellent facility in Hilton by Hampton, Dubai. So here also we can sit and eat, and we can see the main road buses. Main road. Good morning, everyone. So today is 31st of May, Saturday. So I am just leaving my hotel now, room number 205. So already like 1:30 p.m. So yesterday night I didn't have much sleep. That's why I was taking rest. So today I'm planning to go to Sharjah. First I go to metro station, like 800 meters from here, green line, and then I take a metro to go to the bus station. I will just tell you. So where I can get bus to Sharjah. So first I want to visit Sharjah, then come back, then visit Meena Bazaar and Gold Souk, and if possible I will go to Museum of the Future. So like from outside, not inside, because it is 170. I am leaving my hotel now, Hampton by Hilton, Dubai Airport. Excellent hotel. I am enjoying my stay here from past 4 days. So today is my full last day. So tomorrow I leave around 11 o'clock. So leave around 11 o'clock because my flight is at 3 p.m. from airport. Airport is very close, but I just want to spend some time in the airport, in duty-free shopping. That's why I want to leave early, like 11 o'clock. Like it is only 15-20 minutes ride from my hotel. So because it is an international flight, I have to clear immigration, customs and everything. So I spent some time in duty-free. Yeah, now I am planning to go to Sharjah. I have mentioned just now. So let me see how it goes. It's almost like lunch time. It's 1:45 p.m. So I want to eat idli because yesterday I had dinner with my ex-colleague Jagadish in a North Indian restaurant, roti, naan, butter naan. So my stomach is not good. So I just eat idli. Excellent, very soft idli, sambar, 3 chutneys, coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and coriander chutney. They are very good, very nice, excellent. Almost like 1:45 p.m. I want to have lunch before starting my tour. This is Sangeeta View. So see the heat, very hot. So this is the wrong time to visit Dubai. So best time is November, December, January, February until March. Yep. So April also is not bad, but November, December, January, February are excellent months. So from May, summer starts. May, June, July, August, September. So we should avoid visiting Dubai because it is too much heat. But one plus point. So all the hotels and packages we can get only for 50% price of the price. So now my Hilton Sea, now it is $45 per night including breakfast. So in peak season, it may go up to 100 or 150. And also all travels like packages, day trips, so 150 dirhams per day. So in peak season, it may go up to 300. So that is the difference. So you want to save money, come in April or May, just starting of summer. Want to enjoy beautiful weather in Dubai, then visit in November and December, January. So this is Milan Veg, mostly Indian items. And there is Sharana Bhavan inside the street. This is Dubai metro station, Dubai airport free zone on Green Line. So stop number 13. I will take metro train from here. First I have to buy day pass for 22 dinars and then take metro. This is a Green Line. You can see Green Line. There are only 2 lines in Dubai. One is Green Line and one is Red Line. So this station is on Green Line. I have to change after 3-4 stations to get on Green Line metro. I have to take ticket there. Left side also ticket office is there. But yesterday also it was empty. Today also it is empty because this is open. These are the gates. I took this Green Line train. So now I change. This is starting point E&E. I change a train here. I sit in gold class. I have taken gold class ticket. This is a metro. This is the last station for Green Metro. So I have taken gold class ticket because yesterday it was very busy. I want to sit in gold class and I can get a seat. I can stand here, gold class cabin, and I can enter here. So this is the starting point for Green Line, E&E. So this is going to Creek Line. I want to go to Sharjah. See, there's buses. So someone told me that from platform number 15, I can take a bus to Sharjah. It is a connection, AC connection bridge. So from that metro station to intercity bus station. Now what I have to do? I have to go to platform 15 for a bus to Sharjah. So I am doing that now. I have bought a ticket, up and down ticket to Sharjah, 30 dirhams. So my bus is in next 10 minutes. I am waiting in the beautiful. So these are the different boarding platforms. You can see. So my bus is boarding from 10. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So this is excellent, and it is just connection I came out of this entrance number 1. So this is the bus station. So I am taking the bus to Sharjah, first time, and I just spend some time there and I come back. So beautiful bus. Eating Pani Puri in Al Prasad in Meena Bazaar at 5:10 p.m.